regular video. In this video, wait. In this video, we're just going to do a regular video. Oh, I got back yesterday. Sub ID says UTD Gaming. Bloxburg had an update yesterday. You just said remember me. You guys all probably remember him. He's been in quite some videos. So I know I'm not super late, but I know like I'm late to this update. But I wanted like all of you guys to know who subscribed to me. Alright, so they added in water, milk, grape juice, orange juice, toast, hot chocolate, and oatmeal, and more. So basically, by that stuff, all that stuff is in the fridge. Then if you hit more, you have fruit smoothie, mac and cheese, yogurt, black tart, super smoothie, vanilla milkshake, and strawberry milkshake. And if you hit more, you have the chocolate milkshake. And then you need a blender for the milkshakes and smoothies. The microwave is for some of the other stuff. And then, yeah. They added in new doors and stuff. We're just going to do a regular video. It's just going to be like I'm not even recording. And enjoy the video. Wait. Look at the price and donate it, and then I get it for I hate tags. What you barking at, Bill? Gosh. You guys want to see what I'm adding? My bike's gone. No! My bike's gone! I don't know. Why is he kid no? I don't know. I just said kid no. Well, kid K. Can you do a house tour? Okay, we're going to do a house tour. So this is my friend's house. It's basically the whole plot. He has the regular plot, just like that house. It would usually be like that. Well, whatever. So that's the huge house. That's the cafe. That's the driveway. Those are the two balconies. Hey, Mom, what's going on?
Smells down here.
I know I'm recording. Yeah. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna show the cafe first. This is the banana cafe that he made. The stuff isn't that upgraded because I still need to make the paintings. And it's just hard for me because I have to type everything down and then get all the prices in. He has a counter right there. 2 bananas. A thing in there so they know how much it is. We have a fridge, we have a coffee maker, blah blah blah. He said he made this in 10 minutes for $6,000, $6K. So that's the cafe. That's a little garden. That's the driveway, as I already said. You walk in, you've got nothing. And then if you walk over to the side over here, you have a bathroom. He doesn't buy the game passes. So you have like the mirror, you have like the water fountain, you have the counter, you have the toilet, and then you have brick shades, and then you have the shower over there. He said he was going to make a bedroom over there. And then in here is like the living room slash kitchen slash dining room. And it's really huge. And right here he just has a table there, 2 couches, pretty modern. Wait. I have to check the TV show. It's still the same. And then over here you have the dining room slash dining table. And then if you walk over here, you have the kitchen. I kind of don't like this kitchen, not to be rude. It's a little. I kind of don't. I like the house. Just there's a lot of things that I would change. The kitchen's one of them. Like, I don't like that, how that is. I don't like how big the space is. I mean, you didn't have to do that. I would recommend adding in separate rooms. That's only a couple of things I would change. There's kind of a lot more that I would change. I would change how the stairs are, because if you walk up, you have a wall smacking you in the head, and then you have like 2 fences, and then you have to jump across. And then anyways, you have a huge hallway. And then the first room is a bedroom, and it's pretty simple. And then there's a bathroom. Then there's a bedroom. See, this is the only thing that I don't like, because the bathroom, and she doesn't put the things against the wall. That's only one thing that I would change. There's more, as I told you guys. So I would move that right over there. No, I would move the bed over there, put the thing against there, take that, move it over there, take this, move it back against the wall. Add another bathroom, get rid of this door, get rid of this door, keep this door, move that over there, put the clock there, put the dresser right there, keep that where it is. And then this one I would make it less small, make this room smaller, put the TV over there, move the couch over there, and then that's all for that room. No bathroom. And then in here, I would just small it up, and then move that table over there, move the bed against the wall, move that dresser against the wall, move that couch over there, move the TV in front of it. And then the last room is this room, and it's a bathroom. Make this smaller, add in a bath, put everything against the wall. You just said come. Ah! Where I lost you? I'm not really much of a talker. I mean, when I'm not recording, I'm a super big talker. Just that sometimes I'm not, and well, I'm not a big talker when I'm recording. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just going out, walk away. Excuse me. We sell all. Pant. Excuse my jumping. I need you. There we go. The coffee now doesn't even look like coffee. No, it won't work. Work. No, it won't work. Excuse me. This might take 1,000,000 years. After I make this order, I'm probably going to end the video because I honestly don't know what to do. Maybe fix up his house, do everything that I said. Then when he sees the video, he won't know. I'll just cook the pancakes in here. Why not? In the radio, no. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a snow shoveling video with with UTD Gaming. If you guys do, tell me in the description below. And I will do a snow shoveling video. Or you guys can just tell me what you guys want me to do. And the first comment I will play in about an hour. So the first comment that says what game, I will play it in an hour. Tell me how long you want the video to be. It can be up to 15 minutes. There are the pancakes. Oh yeah, I have to bring it to him. Alright, I'm gonna end the video off right here. Thank you all for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And also, I need to tell you guys once again that tell me what you guys want me to play. Tell me yes or no if you guys want me to play a snow shoveling video. If you guys do, tell me, say yes or no. Or if you guys want me to play a different game, tell me. And the first comment, as I said, I will play. So please make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!